In this video, you will learn how to install Messenger Lite on iPhone. The process is really simple. So in iPhone, you have to open App Store to download any application, whereas if you are using Android, then you have to go to your Play Store. So first, make sure that you're connected with the internet, and once you're connected with the internet, go and tap your App Store. And once you have opened your App Store, you can see that on top of this page there is a search bar. Tap on that search bar and search for Messenger Lite option. So wait for it. After that, so tap on this application where you can see the option of get, and it will start downloading in your iPhone. They'll ask you to touch ID to install. Tap on your touch ID and it will start downloading. So this was the process by which you can install Messenger Lite on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe before leaving. Thanks.